When it comes to disclosing climate-related data, expectations haven't just risen, they skyrocketed. The days of nice-to-haves are over. New regulations like the CSRD, SEC Climate Disclosure Rule, and California's SB 253 and SB 261 now require reporting emissions with some level of assurance. And even if you aren't subject to the regulations, it's likely you'll be doing business with someone who is. Investors are calling for more transparency into your carbon footprint, and if you can't provide it, they'll look at companies who can. And your organization may have its own voluntary ESG commitments, science-based target initiatives, and net zero goals. That means there are a lot more eyes on what you disclose. With so much at stake, everyone is looking for more data, including emissions tracking across your supply chain. We're here to help. Introducing Workiva Carbon, an easy-to-use solution for streamlining the full lifecycle of carbon accounting, carbon management, and decarbonization. Best of all, it's integrated into the same Workiva platform you trust for all your financial and non-financial reporting. Here, let's take a look. Workiva Carbon is centered around 4 pillars of the sustainability journey: measure, manage, collaborate, and report. Under Measure, you can build complete audit-ready emissions inventories across scopes 1, 2, and 3. You can also track environmental data such as energy consumption, waste production and diversion, and water usage. We offer multiple data collection methods, emphasizing automation through APIs, integrations, and supplier surveys. Our platform includes thousands of pre-built integrations with utility providers and accounting systems, and you can also create custom integrations as needed. Additionally, data can be entered either manually or bulk uploaded via Excel. And for example, under buildings, you can track scope 1 and 2 emissions, including all fuel consumption and location and market-based purchase energy accounting. To calculate emissions, our proprietary AI technology chooses the best match from a library of thousands of third-party validated factors. Users can also enter custom industry-specific emission factors or emissions overrides for specific activities. Once you've input your activity data, our AI-driven data reviewer automatically flags data issues, including data gaps, duplicates, and anomalies. You can then fix those issues yourself, or if you don't have exact data, you can use our estimation tools to help fill gaps. Workiva Carbon also ensures that your emissions data is transparent, reliable, and ready for internal or third-party audits. Our audit and verification module provides full transparency into our formulas and factors, along with workflow tools that simplify internal audits or third-party assurance. For each data row, we display emission factor sources, values, conversions, formulas, methodologies, and any user-provided documents and notes. Invited auditors can then sample rows, mark them as verified or flagged for review, and collaborate using those flags and notes to streamline communication. Under Manage, you can set SBTI-aligned targets for scopes 1, 2, and 3 emissions in the near or long term, and manage your progress as you pursue decarbonization initiatives. Under Report, we harmonize your reporting efforts by aligning your data inputs with key ESG disclosures across voluntary and mandated frameworks, enabling you to create ESG reports in alignment with GRI, IFRS and TCFD standards, disclose to CDP, and conform to regulations like CSRD, SB 253, and the SEC Climate Rule. See how simple carbon accounting and management can be? Now imagine that automatically connected to the rest of your mission-critical financial reporting, ESG, audit, and risk work on the Workiva platform. If you're ready to take a closer look, schedule a personalized demo today at workiva.com/demo.